Morning, and here we are, the start of week 4. So, what did we do last week? We started off the week on a rest day, as you do. Monday was a rest day, but still got out and did 6k walking. Nice easy walk on Monday. That was followed up with Tuesday on the treadmill because it was hill repeats, so it gave me a chance to test my new treadmill on Tuesday, which we did. I think that was 8k on the treadmill. We're back to full strength training now as well. So Wednesday saw us doing a lower body strength training. No core training yet. Going to bring that in now on week 4. Thursday, easy run, 9k easy run around the streets. And then Friday, again, we were back to upper body strength training, which actually felt better this week than it did, better last week than it did the previous week. So obviously making a little bit of progress there. Saturday then, just a quick half marathon before breakfast. It was a 23k easy run in the system, in the training. So that was just around the streets of sort of Khalifa City, Masdar City, across the Raha Beach and back. Didn't go to the desert for that this week. And the reason I didn't go to the desert this week was because then on Sunday, instead of doing a 9k easy run, I did some cross training and I took the bike out to Al Wathba with a friend and did a 30k loop out there. A nice easy pace, took me about an hour and a half, I think. So averaged about 20 kilometers an hour. So that rounded off the end of the week, week 3, and just some figures for week 3. It was I did 11.97k of walking, 37.7k of running, and 30k of cycling. So that was pretty good, which then actually brings up the total distances now at the end of week 3 to 168, just over 168k of distance, nearly 20 hours of timing, and 1,270 odd meters of elevation gain over the last 3 weeks. Last week's elevation gain was absolutely next to nothing. In fact, it was about 160 meters, if that, over the whole week. So it was very poor last week, but it wasn't in the schedule, so it comes into the schedule now in week 4. So what's coming in with week 4? So today's a rest day again, but I'll probably go out and do a 6k walk this evening. Going to do a gentle walk. I think the wife wants to come out with me, so 6k walk. Tomorrow sees me doing a tempo run. It's a tempo run, so I think it's an 8k or 9k tempo run, so that'll be tomorrow. Then on Wednesday, I'm going to start bringing core training back into the strength as well, so it'll be lower body and core training. Followed up on Thursday, back on the treadmill, is a 9k hill repeats, so that'll be back on my treadmill. And then Friday, upper body strength and core training again, so that's Friday sorted. And then we're back to the desert. Saturday is a 25k hilly run. So I will go back to Birdcage Hill. That'll be up and down to the top 10 times to achieve that distance, I think it is. 10 times. And then finally Sunday, it's a 9k easy run. I'm not sure if I can do an easy run or go back on the bike, which means I'd probably do about 27k if it's on the bike. There you are though. I will put the figures on the screen if I haven't already done so for this week and the total running figures. Have a good week and we'll catch you next weekend. See ya.